upbeat and lively, with a catchy melody and this up-the-country tone. Should evoke a sense of joy and excitement, encouraging themselves to imagine themselves joining the elephants in that jungle dance. The rhythm should be energetic, reflecting the spirited movements of the elephants as they stomp, sway and prance around, incorporating elements of folk or world music could enhance the jungle atmosphere and add to the festive feel of the song. Overall, the song mode should inspire a sense of fun and adventure, inviting everyone to participate in the joyful celebration of nature. Atmosphere and add to the festive feel of the song.